Hello everyone. Today we solve LeetCode problem number 154, finding minimum in rotated sorted array 2. This problem is similar as a finding minimum rotated sorted array 1. What is another thing we have? We have a repeated array value, nums value. In repeated normal repeated, we have only value like 0, 1, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7. But in this case, we have a repeated value like 4, 4, like that. Uh, we have a rotated array, like we have rotated array in 4 time in this case. Like if we rotate this array, it's 4 time we can rotate, then we make a sorted array. Like if we rotate it 4 times, then we make 0, 1, then 4, then 4, then 5, one more 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, like that. What we can do is we can find a minimum sorted array. Nums may be contain duplicate be are there, and we have to return the minimum element of the array. Uh, we we uh, we have the example one. We have a nums value is 1, 3, 5. They in this array is already sorted. Though in this case we don't have any problem to find out a minimum value. In this we have a repeated value like 2, 2, 2, then 0, 0, 1, 3 times rotated. Then we make a 0, 1, 2, 2, and 2. Then minimum value is 0. Then the output is 0. We have check the constraint. We have n equal to num dot length. One n lies between 1 to 5,000, and num size is uh, range is between -5 and 5,000 to 5,000. That's why we have used the time complexities n, and then uh, between like log n and big of n. These three term complexity we can use to solve this question. First of all, we can find out a one pattern. Like if in minimum time complexity, or we have a rotated array, then we can easily apply the binary search. Binary search. When we have a sorted array, uh, or sorted array, or rotational array, rotational array, then we easily can apply the binary search on that kind of problem. If we have not sorted or rotated array, then we can't be apply binary search. If we have these kind of things, then we easily can apply the binary search. Then how we can apply the binary search? Binary search give log kind complexity is a log n, big of log n. That is in between the our constant. Then we easily pass the all test cases. Like we have a in this case we have a repeated array. That is one thing we have to solve and to think about how we can handle these test cases. Like if we have a repeated item, then how we can handle. First of all, we can write a simple binary search code for rotated array. Then we find out a one case for the repeated item. If we have a repeated, then we make a one case for that. Then we solve that problem. Like here, first of all, we can take a one in binary search. We can take a lower value. Lower value is always 0. Then we find out a higher value of our array. That is equal to nums dot size uh, in -1. Why -1? In nums dot size we have to size is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in indexing we can index 0, 1, 2, 3. the index is 3, then we have to that is higher, then we easily higher value using the index, that's why we minus 1, and then we make a one rule loop for that, for binary search, while uh, we can check the low not higher, not out of the higher, not higher than higher, then we make it that condition, lower is not uh, always higher. If it is lower is more than higher, then we terminate our while loop, make it high, and then we start the our uh, make a one mid for that, find out a mid element like that, then we can uh, uh, on which direction we can decide which direction we have to go, we have to move this side or this side after the mid element, then we use mid element is equal to uh, mid is how we can find mid is a low minus uh, high, oh sorry, plus high minus low, divided by 2, uh, and one form, then we apply our condition, like we make a one if condition for that, if it is like we can take example of that. First of all, we can take a first example 135, 1, oh sorry, 1 3 and 5, indexing is 0 1 0 1 and 2. Then we have a higher value is lower value is 0, then lower value is higher value is 2, and mid value is 1. uh, then if we have a uh, uh, no, mid value is uh, lower than the higher value, then we move to the this direction, we have to move this direction. Like we make a condition for that, nums nums mid is higher, then we make a condition that we can sorry, we have to make condition like that. If we have like that, if we have a mid greater than, then we have to move like in this area. But then we make a that for that, then we make low is equal to mid plus 1. Uh, if condition is that, then we have to make a one else condition for remaining thing. Uh, but before the remaining things, we have to make one condition for the like repeated array, like this case. If we have one, we can make else condition first one, else else is equal to we have to make sorry, that is the mid, not low, mid, we have increased the mid in this case, mid is equal to mid plus 1, we have to check for this in between that, but in that case we have to low, uh, uh, no, mid is equal to, we can take mid is equal to I is equal to, oh, sorry, for that we can take I, uh, we can take I is equal to mid. How can we take this? Like we have to, uh, in this case, we have to low. Okay, okay, sorry. We have take low. I can explain you how it is low. Like we can take low. Okay. How it is then? If we have a mid is greater than our I, then we have to move this direction. Then we make a low in this case and high is in this, and we can search in between that. If it is not, then we search in between that, like 1 and 3, using this case. If we have a repeated, like if we have find out, then mid is there and high is there, then we have to move in the, but it is not in our condition, then we make a else if one more condition, else if for the repeated array, like if else if uh, nums mid nums mid uh, is equal to nums high, then what we can do, we can my my I is equal to I minus minus. What we can do is we can not make a higher value is this. We can change the higher value. Then we search for that. Then automatically we lie on the this case, and then we find out a minimum value, like this condition. That is the another condition that find out a for repeated like value. And then we after that we completed while loop, we automatically our lower value is the uh, on the lowest element of the array, then we return the lowest value, return nums low, and then we can easily uh, complexity is a log n, we go of log n in binary set. We can make a code on the lead code, then we check it is correct or not. Okay, I can write a code already. You can check this. No, 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 it is another question. Yeah, yeah, it is same. Like what I can do is same as a low, then we find out a high, then we find out a mid value, then nums if nums is high, mid is greater than high, then we find out low is equal to mid plus 1, then we is this special case for the duplicate value. If else we can make higher equal to low, then we find return the lowest value. Let's check the run the our code. Okay, we passed all three test cases. Let's submit. Yeah, we can beat 100%, and our solution is optimized. uh, okay, uh, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.